today's video, we're going to be doing a super cute smoky eye makeup look. But before we get started, please make sure to go check out my other videos and go check out my friends' channels in the description below. So let's get started. My concealer, and I am not a big fan of foundation, but I do wear it a lot. So the concealer I'm going to be wearing is L'Oreal Paris Inflatable Full Wear. And I really like this brand. It's very good. And I am shade Eggshell 325. Under my eye, on my chin, under my nose, and on my nose. And then we'll be right back. So now that I blended it in, I'm looking very pale right now. So I'm going to go in with my contour and blush palette. And it's Pro Fusion. And I'm just going to go in with some of the bronzer in this makeup kit, and I'm gonna just go up, not really in like the blush section, but like a little lower than that. These colors are mostly made for contour, but they're a very nice shade when you use them for bronzer too. So I'm gonna just lightly dab it onto this color. This color is super dark, but if we blend it in really well, it will look really nice. So I'm just going to put this in and then blend it in as we go, and do the same with my other side. And you can also do some on your forehead or under, like right between your nose and stuff. So yeah, we'll be right back. This is looking really dark, but it looks really good in my mirror right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that same palette, but I'm going to go in with this blush, and I'm going to go in this blush brush, and I'm just going to go higher than where I put my bronzer, just so you don't have them overlapping each other and making it look super, like, weird. So the blush looks pretty good, and I had to blend it in a lot because the contour and blush palette the blush was really bright, so I just blended it in. Now I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Space Lighter. I'm going to go in with this Complexion Unicorn Brush, and I'm going to put this higher than the blush, because you don't want it to be, like I said before, all compact together, because then it will just look super sloppy and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the cheeks and the face, but what do you want to make sure when you're doing your blush, your bronzer, and your space lighter is that you don't make it too much, like too much blush, too much bronzer, too much highlighter, because you want to make sure your eyes stand out more than your cheeks and stuff, because it's a very like dark look, so you want to make sure it still looks really good and settled. So yeah, so now we're moving on to the eyes, and I'm going to be using this brush for like the base color, because it's just going to seal it on there and it's going to look really good under the colors. So the two palettes I'm going to be using are Fierce BYS palette, and it's very nice. And then I'm going to be using my Yofi palette, and I'm going to be using most of the browns you see in here, and then this brown and this color. And so the colors you usually use for a smoky eye is like golds, browns, and like sparkly colors, not sparkly colors, like a cream sparkle. So yeah, let's get started with it. I'm going with the Yofi palette, and this base cream color, I'm just going to use this brush, and I'm just going to put a decent amount on my brush, and just going to put this all over the eye, and don't blend it in a lot, but just don't put too much, but don't put too little. So I chose this for the base is because under the browns and stuff, you'll be able to see this sparkly, like really sparkly cream base color. So yeah, and as you can tell, it's really reflecting with my light. So now I'm going to go in with another one of my brushes, and I'm just going to go in with, you can use not any type of palette for this, but like try to get this almost the same shades for this, because it will look very different with the different shades. So first I'm going to go in with this Spirited Brown right here, and I'm just going to bring this up in just like an upward U motion, just like this. And I'm just going to put a little bit of it, and then we'll get right back. This looks like a chocolate color, but the part of a smoky eye is to have tons of different shades of browns mixed in with it. So this is looking pretty good. Now we're going to go in with a blending brush, and we're just going to blend all around the eye, just like this. And don't blend too much because then you won't be able to see the chocolate brown color, but just blend so it's not sloppy like how mine was looking. Now it's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to go in with my Yelphy palette. I was just using the Fierce palette. Now we're going to go in with my Yelphy palette and use this really dark chocolate color. And we're going to go literally like right here and put just the smallest amount of it in. And we'll be right back. I just put the brown in. It's looking super bad right now because I haven't blended it in yet. And I have some brown on my cheeks. So what I did is I just blended it. I don't know. I blended it. And now it looks pretty. It looks okay, but I'll fix it up at the end. We're going to go back in with another blending brush. And we're just going to blend this into the other brown. So it doesn't turn into one color. It just like has an ombre effect to it. So that's what we did with that brown. Now we have one more brown we're going to go in with, and it is called Daredevil in the Fierce palette. And we're going to just put this in this top corner right here. Just put a decent amount on there, on your brush. Super sloppy as usual. Now we're going to go in with the blending brush again. We're just going to blend all these different shades of brown together. And it's going to look super good and super cute. So this is the eye look. And if you're wondering why we did the base part, is because look at this glow that it's turning the whole thing into. So this is the part of the smoky eye. Now we're going to go in with eyeliner. And the thing is, I'm not that good with doing cat eyes. So I'm just going to go in it and do like a straight, I'm not doing a cat eye. I'm just going to do normal eyeliner. Yeah, we'll be right back. So when I do it, I just focus on staying on the corner where my eyelashes are. So that's one eye with eyeliner. It looks okay. Now we're going to go in with the other eye. So this is the eyes, which I am very proud of, and I really like how it looks. I would totally go out wearing this. The second to last step is the mascara. And so if you haven't seen in my other videos, this is my favorite, one of my favorite mascaras, because it just brings out the curliness in your eyelashes without using an eye curler or eyelash curler or anything. So I'm just going to go in, put this on the top of my lashes and under my lashes. And then we're going to move on to the eyes. And I'm very proud of how this looks. It looks really good. So now we're going to move in with my homemade lip gloss that I made. Comment down below if you want to see how I make this. And I can just do a video on it. So I'm just going to put this on my lips. And the reason why I chose this one is because it matches really well with my eyes. And it's like a fall color. Guys, this is the finished look. I'm very proud of how this looks. So if you guys want to see any certain makeup looks or anything, just comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.